Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, welcome in. I hope you all are doing really well. Let's get right into it. Honey, May showers bring, May flowers bring, girl, it brings cleaning, okay? So spring cleaning is here. And so I am here for a list of fragrances that I love and enjoy cleaning my house with. You know, for me, I don't like to use my very rich, pricier fragrances while cleaning the house. So maybe you want to get some recommendations from my list on what you would like to smell like when you're cleaning your house. First up, I have a very tropical, fruity, magnolia type of fragrance. And this is from Sofia Vergara. This is Tempting Paradise. All right. Have you all heard of this, seen this? This is very like throwback. Like you should probably find this maybe in TJ Maxx, Ross, something like that. Okay, so this is a very celebrity fragrance. Okay, but for me, I feel like when I clean the house and I don't want to wear something like from my very expensive collection, something just like quick grab and go to clean the house but still smelling good, I love to lean upon my celebrity fragrances. And Sofia Vergara is one of those. Tempting Paradise is one of those fragrances that I love to clean my house with. One, it smells fruity. Again, this is not like a concoction that you haven't smelled, but it is clementine, so very citrus, orange in the citrus land. It has florals in it, so I do enjoy this fragrance. So this fragrance is happy, uplifting, fresh. This is a very great fragrance that I would recommend that you do your spring cleaning, your good spring cleaning with, so you don't have to smell all the bleach and stuff that you're using, or maybe whatever sub-vegan products you're using. Next up, we have one of my favorites is Replica's Bubble Bath. It is on my tray for the month of May, and for good reason. I love cleaning with this fragrance because to me, this gives me like self-care, very fresh out the bathtub, bubble bath. Like the name of this being Bubble Bath is spot on, like very much on brand, on exactly what's in this concoction. Okay, they have taken the suds and the soap and all the very self-care luxury moments and have captured it in this bottle. I love it. I love this fragrance. It is so good, very memorable, but it puts me in a space to clean, right? Fresh, clean, uplifting. So good, so good, and so good. I would highly recommend you get your hands on Replica's Bubble Bath. Next up, I know you put baby in the corner, but I'm on this white floral. So jasmine, orange blossom, all the things. Rose is in this as well. This is Narciso. Oh, I just took off the cap. Okay, so this is Narciso Rodriguez, and this is Poudre. Okay, if you want to smell musk, fresh, beautiful, rose, smell still pleasant and mature while you're cleaning, like you're grown, like a grown woman. This is it. Oh, it's powdery. It's like very powdery, poofed up, kissy lips. Like it is one of those. It is like the expensive, you know, back in the day when they used to like put the very luxury expensive powder on. This is that. It is so pleasant and good. I love to clean the house with this because I smell divine. Okay, I smell divine. I don't smell overly doing the most, right? Because you got to get in there, get on your knees sometimes and get in there. get the real cleaning done. But it definitely gives me a pleasant smell and scent, and I still feel pretty. And this is very proper. This is very proper, girl. Girl, I don't know why I was thinking of like put on a little seductive black and white little maid housewife type of, well, it's not really housewife. Like, y'all know what I'm saying. Like, if you want to play a part, you might want to put on some Narciso Rodriguez poetry and play it up, okay? And do your good clean. Moving on. Next up, another jasmine white floral scent that I love and adore, okay? And you can tell I adore it and love it. Look at that jet. And this is Amazing Grace Jasmine. I feel like I found mine in Ulta, if Ulta still sells Amazing Grace products. But you might be able to get it on TJ Maxx, Ross, all those things. But this is so good. This Amazing Grace Jasmine Chef's Kiss. It is clean. It is fresh. It is floral. It makes you feel pretty. And it's not too much, right? It's fresh and you smell clean, and that you just like took a shower, right? You're cleaning, but you smell clean and pleasant. I love this fragrance down. This can be a base to any of your other fragrance, even if you want a quick grab and go. Highly recommend this for your spring cleaning. You want a little floral, a little fresh, a lot of fresh. Absolutely choose Amazing Grace Jasmine. It's one to put in your collection for sure. Next up, I have a tea fragrance that has a citrus note. You might not even think this is like very house cleaning, because maybe it's too much citrus. Maybe you're already using citrus in your cleaning products and you're like, I don't want to smell like citrus. But to me, this is a tea note citrus combination that I enjoy, and that is saying a lot, because there's not many of them that I enjoy that have the note of tea and citrus. You know your sister. And green. You know me. That's just not my scent profile all the time, but I do love it, and it is a alien fragrance. I know, right? Yeah. So this is from Angel, and this is Extraordinaire. Okay, this is a good fragrance, a amazing fragrance to clean with. Okay, if you were looking for something that kind of makes you smell rich, right, luxury, but without the price, without the extraness, I would absolutely recommend this. My opinion, this is a great tea and citrus, and to me, May cleaning or spring cleaning, so good. So good, okay? This is such a good fragrance. I love it, okay? I love it. When, again, I want to be extra, but I don't want to put my extra $400 bottle smelling extra just to clean the house, No, thank you. So I lean upon this fragrance, and it is so good, okay? So I'm not saying that every time I clean my house, because you like, girl, you ain't got no dent in that, okay? You don't be cleaning your house. Girl, I'll be cleaning my house. But no, I adore this fragrance for that type of setting, okay? You can also wear this out, brunch with the girls, all of that, blah, 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 blah. But I like to put on like my best of the best when I'm out with the girls, right? I like to show out a little bit, when I'm out with my boo, I like to show out. But this one, when I want to show out, but inside, and I'm working and I'm sweating, this is what I want to smell like. All day, every day. So this is such a great fragrance. I would highly recommend that you get your hands on, and you probably do need to find this on the gray market or a discounted site or something like that, because it is pretty old school, to say the least, but I do love that type of fragrance when I'm cleaning the house. My quick grab and goes, my don't have to think about it. Girl, get to the work. Get to business. Okay? Moving on. So, what are some fragrances that you have out there that you love to clean your house with, right? You get ready for this season. You are switching out your winter, fall wardrobe to your spring, your winter candles to your spring, your cleaning, your deep cleaning. What do you like to wear in the house? And maybe you like to be bougie and wear your expensive fragrances. To each his own, girl. Do your thing. Do it, do it, do it. But for me, I'm not going to reach for them. I'm not going to reach for them in the house. I'm just going to be quite honest. Well, fam, make sure that you subscribe and list down below, like, what are some things you like to wear in the house to clean? We all want to know. Give us the tea. Give us the scoop, okay? Don't gatekeep. Let us know. Well, fam, until next time, you be good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye. Happy cleaning.